Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create GetResponse Autoresponder account for free, guys. So if you're looking for how to create your autoresponder account for your affiliate marketing business, so you can build your email list, so you can send emails to your subscriber, collect emails, and promote your affiliate stuff through email marketing, then yes, this video is for you. In this video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can create your GetResponse Autoresponder account for free, guys, right? But guys, before telling this, I just want to say that guys, if you're a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets, and in that ebook I have revealed everything that you need to know to build your affiliate marketing business step by step. So go and read my ebook. Down below there is a link, guys, right? So guys, now here, without any delay, let me show you how to create GetResponse account for free, guys, right? So guys, now here what you need to do, just go to GetResponse, so guys, now here can you see that free account? So click on that free account. So guys, now here can you see that sign up free? So click on that sign up free. And now here to submit your name, email, and password, guys. So I'm just gonna submit my name, and my email is I can see. So this is my email, guys, right? And password. Now hit that button, create account, guys. Okay guys, can you see that? So here I need to just confirm my email, guys. So yeah, can you see that? Please activate your GetResponse account. So I'm just gonna click on that. And then can you see that? Activate my account. So click on that, activate my account. So guys, here I need to submit my information, guys, right? So I'm just going to stop this video, and after submitting my information I will come back, guys. Okay guys, I have submitted my name, last name, my country name, my address, right, and my pin code, city, my province, then my mobile number, right here. Then yes, you need to just click on that button that says take me to my account. So I'm just going to hit that button. Okay guys, so my next step is that, guys, GetResponse needs your cell phone number to send you a verification code. So they will send me verification code on my phone number that I have just submitted. So I'm just going to click on that send code. So they have sent me the code and I need to check it out. Okay guys, I'm just going to submit. And then verify. That's it, guys. Can you see that, guys? Welcome to GetResponse, and choose your plan. Now here I can choose my plan. Actually you can see I'm already on it's a free trial, guys, right? So let me show you. Your trial expires in 30 days, right? Upgrade today to get $199 worth of your marketing certification for free. So I don't want to upgrade, guys, right? So I just want to check it out for 30 days free trial, but yeah, later on I can upgrade it, guys, right? So yes, guys, now you can see that, guys. So I have created my account with GetResponse so that I can build my email list, so that I can send emails to my subscriber promoting my affiliate offer, guys, right? And yes, if you have any question, then yes, you can ask your question down below. I will try my level best to give you answer, guys, right? And yes, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then yes, please go and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, there is also bell notification button. Go and click on that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my affiliate marketing training, right? So yes, if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then yes, go and subscribe to my channel as well as hit that bell notification button, guys, right? So yep, this is all about for today, guys, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.